Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to add a picture in keyboard in Samsung Galaxy A17. Before we start, you must remember to do that you must have Gboard installed on your phone. So I have installed it. So now let me show you how you can put a picture on your keyboard. To do that, simply tap on this icon. From here, Gboard settings will open. From here, tap on themes, tap on plus icon, and from here, select any photo which you want. Let's say I like this one. So I just simply need to select it in this border and tap on nudge. From here, I can also adjust the brightness. Let's say I like this, and from here, tap on apply. Let's check. Now, as you can see, my picture from the gallery is now on the keyboard. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.